Hi, my name is Chris with H6 Designs, and this is going to be the first of many WordPress tutorials that I will do for you. Hopefully that allows you folks to manage your websites more efficiently and effectively for your companies. As some of you may or may not know, I own thebasspond.net. This website was one of the first websites that my wife had built some years ago. And this is actually the third version of it, which I'm entirely satisfied with. This is the front end of the Bass Pond, the actual website itself, and then this is the back end. Now, if those of you that do have a WordPress site, I'm sure at some point in time you've seen the dashboard on the back end of your website. Yours may look a little different than this because we've added some custom features that helps us manage it more effectively. This tutorial is going to be focused on your plugins and keeping your site updated. Updates are important because in an open source platform or a WordPress platform, they're constantly updating the software. They identify errors, they identify security threats, they identify fixes to make the software better, essentially. These are developers from all over the world, and WordPress is a combination of software from developers everywhere. It's a big conundrum of everybody working together, and that's kind of one of the things that makes it so great. On our end, I have my plugin page. And if you see, there has a little 6 right next to my plugins. That is a prompt that lets me know I need to take action on something. So I get to my plugins page and I can see I have red highlights. It says there's a new version of admin custom and login available. I would assume one that's more secure for everybody's website. So we want to update these things. Anti-spam. I've had, I don't know, thousands of spam blocked already. These are things that need to be updated continuously. The custom Facebook feeds, my analytics, so I know what my site's doing, and a few others. So what I want to do is check this page as often as I can, and if I see a little orange circle next to it, it's a prompt letting me know that there's action that needs to be taken. So we're going to go ahead and update the plugins, and it's simple as it can get. Basically, you select the plugins that you would like to update. You go to your actions, go to update, and you apply. And that will go through and individually update each of your plugins and keep your site running as it should and looking as it should. The problem with this is if you do not update the plugins as the software evolves and changes, your plugins will become out of date, which sooner or later will affect not only the functionality of your website, but it will affect how it appears, not only on a mobile device, but on a desktop platform as well. So this is the first little tidbit of information that I'd like to provide because it's something that's often regularly overlooked but critically important to your site. If you guys have any questions, please send me an email at info@h6designs, or feel free to give me a call directly at 480-447-8597. I'm going to put this on our YouTube channel, and I'd really love it if you guys could all subscribe. That would be great. I'll go back to the dashboard. And the only update I have currently now is one that I've elected not to update intentionally. So I believe it said 6 before, now it has 1. I went through and updated all my software. And it's back to running and looking as good as it can be. So again, if you folks have any questions, need any help or any suggestions, please feel free to reach out at any time. Again, it's info@h6designs, plural.com, or 480 447-8597.